Hello everybody, I'm really excited about today's project. This is something I've always wanted to try. I'm going to be creating an LED sign of our C&A Try It logo. We'll start off by sanding a 2-foot wooden circle that I picked up from Lowe's. Before I start painting, I need to prime the wood with gesso. This will allow a nice textured palette for the paint to adhere to. One good coat should do the trick. I used my old drafting compass to draw 2 circles to represent the inner white circle of the logo. And then keep on spinning.
That's Chris and his goofy self.
Yep. For the duck portion, I'm using a 1/4-inch sheet of wood. This will sit on top of the main circle and give it a more three-dimensional look. But first, I need to transfer the image to the wood. I used black carbon paper for this purpose. Now that the paper is in place, simply tape down the image and start tracing. Make sure you get everything copied before removing the paper image. It would be most difficult to realign it again. Now that the image has been traced, all we need to do at this point is cut it out, lightly sand the outer edges, and begin the painting process. Here's a quick preview of how it's all going to look. Now let's get painting. Now that the painting is finished, we can move on to the lights. I'm using 16 feet of LED lights by Govee. This will supply a nice glow behind the ducks and the back of the sign itself. I forgot to mention that earlier I drilled 2 holes to feed the lights to the front of the sign. I used a 1/2-inch bit for this purpose. In case you're wondering, I routed a portion of the back out. I was initially concerned it might be too heavy, but to each their own. On the front side, I'm running the lights along the inside perimeter. The front piece will cover over this. I had plenty of length, so I doubled up to have a better backlit glow. Because of this, I didn't need the secondary hole to feed the lights back to the underside. Once the remaining part of the light strip was threaded to the back, I worked it around the outside of the circle. Once everything was in place, I needed to attach the top part to the main piece. I cut out some spacers from some leftover scrap wood I had in the garage. This provides a little room to get the glow behind the ducts. I painted the spacers black so you wouldn't see them from the side. Then I lined everything up and I attached them. I didn't show this, but I suggest covering the project and putting something heavy on it to make sure that it attaches properly. Now, let's check out some LED action.
I heard the